Allstate and Nationwide, two giants of insurance. But which one actually keeps you truly protected? On one side, Allstate, known for their "you're in good hands" promise. On the other, Nationwide, famous for being on your side. Let's push aside the ads and slogans and focus on what really matters. We'll compare them in key categories, awarding points in each to see who takes the top spot. And the final outcome could surprise you. So real quick here, the roadmap. We're gonna look at price, coverage and features, customer satisfaction, digital experience, the claims process, and of course, financial strength. Think of this like a mind map branching out from the stuff you care most about when picking insurance. Ready? Let's tackle them one by one. First up, price. With Allstate, you get some nice bundling discounts, which is cool if you want everything under one company, plus they give you a couple options for your deductible, so a little flexibility. But honestly, their premiums are usually a bit higher than what you might see with some other guys. Now, moving to Nationwide, this is where they start flexing. Rates are super competitive. They've also got this kinda cool vanishing deductible program which basically rewards you for not making claims. The only catch is, yeah, if you want extra add-ons that can bump up your bill. But still, when we weigh it all up, Nationwide actually edges Allstate out on the price front. Let's talk coverage and features. Okay, Allstate fans, this is your moment. Allstate has a ton of add-ons. You want accident forgiveness, safe driving programs, you name it. Seriously, you can really customize your policy. The only thing is, those extra perks sometimes come with, you guessed it, extra fees. Now, looking at Nationwide, the standard coverage is definitely solid, and I love their SmartRide telematics if you're into gadget-wise stuff or tracking your driving habits. But compared to Allstate, their list of optional add-ons just isn't as deep. So in this round, Allstate clearly takes the win for sheer feature overload. Now, customer satisfaction. With Allstate, you're getting decent claims satisfaction, like most people walk away happy. But overall customer satisfaction is just a little below the industry average, at least according to the most recent JD. Power. With Nationwide, though, they've got above-average satisfaction ratings, plus get this, they have some of the lowest complaint numbers compared to the other big insurance companies. Only downside, some folks seem to have mixed feelings about their local agents. But overall, Nationwide is the winner here. People just seem to be a bit happier. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. So, did you know Nationwide was actually started by farmers back in 1926? They basically banded together to help out with insurance. I just love those little pieces of history. Anyway, let's jump back in. Now the digital experience. Allstate knocked this one out of the park. Their app is super highly rated and all their online tools just make checking your policy or paying bills way too easy. Minor heads up though. Some users run into occasional login glitches, but it's nothing too major. Then we look at Nationwide. The online quote process is easy and their app does the job, but it's honestly not as full-featured or fancy as Allstate. So for digital nerds or anyone who just likes things to be smooth, Allstate wins this round. Claims process time. With Allstate, you can file a quick claim using just a photo and get support 24/7, which sounds super convenient, right? The only hitch is, how fast you get your payout can depend a bit on where you live. With Nationwide, filing online is really streamlined, and they do have a pretty good rep for being fair about claims. Still, there are a few complaints about slow follow-ups here and there. But honestly, these two are way too close. You could flip a coin and get a good experience either way. So yeah, let's just call this one a tie. Now for financial strength, basically, can they pay out if disaster hits? Both companies have that sweet A+ superior rating from AM Best, so both are rock solid. Not much drama here, call it a tie. If you could see this as a radar chart, you'd notice Nationwide sticks out slightly more on price and customer satisfaction, while Allstate kills it in coverage and digital. The rest, they're neck and neck. Alright, here where I stand. If you want all the extra coverage options and an awesome app, Allstate does a great job, especially for people who want everything at their fingertips. But if saving money and getting awesome service are your top priorities, honestly, Nationwide is gonna fit you a little better. So Nationwide just pulls ahead in this race. If you found this comparison helpful, follow for more clear, expert breakdowns like this. I've got plenty more coming, so stick around.